Welcome to the video tutorials for the Q-Cells Rooftop Planner. This video covers MapDrawer Section 3. An alternative to defining a roof by copying is the option to import a CAD plan. The supported file formats are DWG and DXF. Prerequisites: the roof area and interfering areas objects must be split on separate layers in the CAD. Existing modules can also be imported, but this only makes sense if the row spacing of the modules that have been drawn corresponds to Q-Cell specifications. Objects must be composed of closed polylines. The overlaying of interfering areas should be avoided. Procedure: after clicking on the Draw Import button, click on Import and select the desired CAD file. The file is automatically imported. You then see the imported file in the window and the drawing layers identified during the import. First, assign the identified layers, left, to the assigned layers, right. If you clear the checkbox before a plane entry, that layer is set to invisible in the drawing, making the assignment as a whole much easier. In our example, we initially set all layers to invisible, then add the interference fields layer and assign it to the interfering area allocated layer. We then activate the roofing layer and assign it to the roof level. As no scaling or information on whether a metric system is used is stored inside CAD files, you have to give this information manually. Once you have this information, start the process for importing the file by clicking on the Import button. Define the southern parapet once the file has been successfully imported. Activate the tool for defining the southern parapet. Move the cursor to the desired parapet and click with the left mouse button to set the definition. It is recommended to adapt the imported building precisely to a satellite image. Move the imported roof and its interfering areas as a whole using the selection tool. Click on the roof area with the left mouse button. The roof is orange and transparent. Click and drag the roof to its desired position using the left mouse button. Rotate the roof by entering data in the Rotate field. Positive values turn the roof anti-clockwise. Negative values turn the roof clockwise. Save your entry by clicking on the Save button.